makes everyone love cats? Simple. They're cute, they're weird, and they somehow act like royalty and toddlers at the same time. They do whatever they want, and somehow we still adore them for it. And just when you think they're cold and distant, boom, they curl up in your lap and purr like a tiny motorboat. Whether it's their chaotic zoomies at 3 a.m. or their majestic "I rule this house" attitude, cats are walking contradictions, and we love them for it. Admit it, you didn't choose the cat life. The cat life chose you.